So the MT4 versus MT5 argument has been going on a long time, and it will continue to go on quite a long time. MT5 is architecturally a much better platform. It's considerably more scalable. It has no hard limits such as MT4. But the problem we have with it is MT4 is already implemented in thousands of brokers, and making the switch from MT4 to MT5 is seen as very difficult for a broker. Now we can help with that because we have all the tools to make that migration from MT4 to MT5. We have all of the same products that you'll need to migrate from MT4 to MT5, such as gateways, bridges and plugins into the platform. So we can make that happen, and we can advise you the best way to do that, because it's not as simple as just turning off MT4, importing it into MT5 and carrying on. There are lots of differences. You need to manage the process with your clients, with your liquidity providers, with your tech providers such as us. So we can help you with that because we've done that many times, and it is the right thing to do. MT5 is the future, MT4 is the past. Make that move.